11 o'clock we received an information that one Jaish Muhammad commander, whose name is Khalid, he is a Pakistani national and he is moving around in Ladura. We launched a covert party of 6 people headed by DSP operations and covertly, and when they came down to Ladura, they spotted him, they challenged him, and when they challenged him, he threw a grenade on them and then he fired some pistol shots on them. The covert party retaliated. He was injured in that retaliation. Then he fled up to 500 meters. He entered into the village. He occupied one house in the village. We cordoned off that house. We followed the blood trail and we cordoned off that house. And in that brief encounter, he was killed. He has a one pistol and a few grenades with him. And there were 32 RR army and 177, 179 and 92 CRPF were involved in the operation. He is involved in a lot of killings in and around Sopore and Handwada and Baramulla. And he was very important for us because all the Fidayeen attacks were being carried out in the valley by him, which were carried on the west of the Jaish.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Rafiabad, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 0194246850 2468 Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.